Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have already imported the flare media, which we are going to use in this tutorial. These pre-rendered lens flares are created using Video Copilot's optical flare. If you want to know how you can create this lens flare, then let me know in the comment section. We also have pre-rendered Christmas tree, and background image file. Download link for all these files is provided in the description. Now let's start with creating our golden text. Create a new composition. Name it as golden text. I will set time duration to 10 seconds, you can set it according to your requirement. Now let's add the text. In this tutorial, we are going to use new and easy method to create it golden text, which you can use with text layer and also with the logo, if you are working on logo reveal. Here we will use Great Vibes font. Download link is provided in the description. Increase the font size. Align the text to the center. Perfect. Now let's recompose this text layer. Give a name to this composition. Now let's create a new solid layer. Name it as golden layer. For this layer, in Effects and Preset, search for Fractal Noise. Add it to the solid layer. For noise, change fractal type to Turbulent Basic. Change brightness to 25. In Transform, uncheck Uniform Scaling. Let's increase the scale height. Set it to near about 1000. Slightly increase the scale width. Set complexity to 1. At start of the timeline, create keyframe for evolution. At end of the timeline, change evolution to 2. Now at start of the timeline, create keyframe for offset. At end of the timeline, change offset value as shown. You can see the preview. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Tint. Add it to solid layer. Here you need to change the tint color as shown. Perfect. Now for solid layer, if you don't see this track matte, then you can change the mode. Now click on track matte. Perfect. Now create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset, search for bevel alpha. Add it to adjustment layer. Now search for CC light sweep. Add it to the adjustment layer. For light sweep, change direction to 45 degrees. Change width to 70. Change edge thickness to 2. Now at 3 seconds, create keyframe for center. Place the center point onto the left. Now at 6 seconds, position center to the right as shown. You can see the preview. Now at 3 seconds, create keyframe for sweep intensity. Change it to 0. Let's move 1 second forward. Change the intensity to 50. You can see the preview.
Perfect.
Now let's create a new solid layer. Name it as noise. In Effects and Preset, search for fractal noise. Add it to the solid layer. Change fractal type to rocky. Noise type to linear. Change complexity to 3. In Transform, change scale to 5. Now at Start, create keyframe for evolution. At end of timeline, change evolution to 2. You can see the preview. Perfect. Let's recompose this layer. Name it as Texture. Select, move all attributes into the new composition. Now create a new adjustment layer. Now let's create duplicate of text composition. Place it above adjustment layer 2. For adjustment layer, change track matte to alpha matte text. Now hide the texture composition. Now for adjustment layer, in Effects and Preset, search for CC Glass. Add it to adjustment layer. In CC Glass, for surface, change bump map to texture. Change softness to 0. Change height to 2. In light, change light height to 75. Perfect. Our text is created. Now let's animate our text. Create a new composition. Name it as Text Animation. From Project Panel, add Golden Text Composition to Timeline. Now select Pen Tool. Now you need to create mask around the text layer, as shown. Make sure it covers the text. For text composition. In Mask, for Mask 1. At 3 seconds. Create keyframe for mask path. Now at start of the timeline, change mask path as shown. Press Shift key and select the end point to move them. Perfect. You can see the preview. Change mask feather value to 30. Now let's create duplicate of this text composition. For duplicate composition, we will again create mask. Create mask as shown. For text composition, in Mask, for Mask 2. Near about at a distance of 3 seconds and 5 frames. Create keyframe for mask path. Now at start, or at a distance of 5 frames, change mask path as shown. You can also adjust the keyframes. Change Mask 2 mode to subtract. Mask feather value to 300. For text composition, change mode to add. For this golden text composition, in Effects and Preset, search for Glow, add it to text composition. For glow, change glow threshold to 40%. Glow radius to 18. Glow intensity to 0.7. Now create duplicate of glow. For glow 2, change radius to 17. Glow intensity to 0.50. You can see the preview. Perfect. For text composition, in Effects and Preset, search for Tritone. Add it to text composition. For tritone, change midtone color as shown. Change blend with original value to 75%. Now form project panel, let's create the composition of this tree. You just need to select and drag and drop on this composition icon. This will create Christmas tree composition. Now let's create duplicate of this golden text composition. Let's rename it to golden tree. Now open this golden tree composition. Here we will replace this text composition with this tree composition. Select tree composition, while pressing Alt key, drag the tree composition over the text composition. This will replace text composition with the tree composition. Do the same for above text composition. Perfect. You can see the preview. Now let's create our final composition, name it as Greetings. Now add the background PSD file provided to the timeline. Now add golden tree composition and text animation composition to timeline. Let's scale this tree composition to 50%. Adjust the position. Place the text composition below the tree. Select all 4 lens. Add them to timeline. Change mode to add. Here we need to adjust the lens flare 3, position with golden tree. Now adjust the position for golden tree composition and lens flare 3. Perfect. Now let's adjust the lens flare 4 position. Place it below the text. Perfect. Now if you want to add cinematic frame for this animation, you can add it or you can skip this step. Create a new solid. Name it as frame. Now double click on this rectangle tool, this will create mask for the solid layer. Let's change mask path. Change unit to % of source. Change top to 10%, bottom to 90%. Select inverted. Perfect. Now let's see the preview. Here our Christmas greeting is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.